Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. Here in North London, it's currently cold and grey and wet and miserable. Up until last Thursday or Friday, we'd been experiencing a heat wave. It was lovely. Temperatures had got up to around 30 degrees here in London, and the whole mood of the city changed. People's mood lifted. People were walking around smiling. Then, last Thursday or Friday, I can't remember which one it was, we experienced the mother of all thunderstorms. I woke up in the middle of the night because the thunder outside was so loud. I thought a bomb had gone off somewhere. The lightning was flashing through the sky and it pelted with rain for about 36 hours non-stop. Yesterday, it was the longest day of the year, the summer solstice. And on Twitter, what was trending? The word #heating. Because loads of people were saying, it's the longest day of the year, it's the summer solstice, and I've got my central heating on. If you talk about the mother of all somethings, like the mother of all storms, you mean the biggest or the most important or the most impressive example of these things. To give you a few more examples, you might be late because you got stuck in the mother of all traffic jams. If you go out drinking until stupid o'clock with old friends, you might wake up the next morning with the mother of all hangovers. And if you've been following the news recently, you may have noticed that Bitcoin is experiencing the mother of all crashes. If you have enjoyed this video, please click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps us with the algorithm. Share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section, we'd love to hear examples of how you might use the mother of all